Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Grab Your Reviews, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo and it claims to collect reviews from over 50 platforms and build your online reputation. It's a review tool. We're gonna use it to make it easy for you to get reviews, collect review from your customers, and then you build your reputation online. Let's take a look at the deal terms. As you can see here, you're gonna get all the future large plan updates, unlimited reviews, and the difference here will be related to some features. Those are the white label features that will come only in the tier 2. So here I'm gonna say the tier 2 is the best one. They want you to buy the tier 2 because only with that one you're gonna get 100% white label, which means that you're gonna use your CNAME, your custom URL domain, and your custom email domain. You will be able to sync your own email domain. And also you get more features and more review platforms if you get the license tier 3. With the license tier 3, you get unlimited review platforms, and with license tier 2, only 10 review platforms. You're gonna get also more client or business locations, more total email invites per month, etc. And remember, the SMS credits per month are only for US and Canada. It does not work worldwide. Let's take a look at the tool. Here you're gonna find the review platforms right after you log in. So you can connect in one or more of their review platforms. The major ones are Google, Facebook, and Yelp, but they have many different review platforms, as you can see here: Airbnb, BBB, Consumer Affairs, Glassdoors, Zomato, Walmart, Play Store is here. They also have lawyers.com, Newegg, TripAdvisor. There's a lot of reviews platforms here that you can use to get your new reviews. For the sake of that review, let's use Google My Business. So you just need to connect your Google My Business account, just logging in, and you're done. You're connected in less than 15 seconds. Then you can start sending a new review invitation for your customers, and send for one or more than one. I'm gonna send one invitation so you can see, pretty simple. And then on the dashboard, you can see all your reviews, your open invitations, your landing page visits, private Facebook, and positive reviews. The email that I have sent to my customer will have a link that will lead me to that platform here. And then the customer could say if they have a good experience or not. So Google experience, and in that way they can go to Google to leave their review. You can see here now that I have an open invitations and also a landing page visit. Okay, you can connect a new platform here on the left anytime you want. You can connect more platforms, and then your customer will be able to leave reviews in other platforms as well. You can receive private feedbacks. You can see your reviews here with an average rating of your Google reviews, and also you can add a review manually. So I'm gonna add a test review here from today, add review. It will show up here, my new review. How you can get reviews? You can invite customer, send emails. You can bulk invite them, uploading a CSV. You can see your invited customers here. You can also send the emails from your own email. About the template, it's fully customizable. You will be able to customize your template, even adding your logo here on the email, etc. You will be able to customize every email in the tool. After you get the reviews and have added the review, you can add a website widget with your reviews. For instance, review us, and then your grades and the number of reviews that you have. Verify it on Google, the number of reviews you have. They have different kinds of widgets, as you can see here. A carousel one, a measuring grid, review collector, a rating overview. That one's pretty like Amazon, that you will be able to ads on your website. You can also use email widgets to improve your review collection. So those are the widgets, the thumbs, the face, stars, and NPS. Those widgets you can use in your email. You will be able to customize your review page settings. For instance, you can use NPS instead of thumbs, star instead of thumbs, and also the content. Everything will be customizable, and you will be able to create everything white label. You can use a QR code to get the reviews. You can also use a magic link to get the reviews. Also, you have a report system where you can see your ratings, your total reviews, and review and rating by platform. Also conversion, SMS conversion. You will be able to track and see which kind of review strategy is working for you. Integrations, you can see here, they have many integrations. You're going to connect all those integrations with Zapier, okay? You will be able, again, to set up your own custom domain, all your brand information. I think that is the tool you can understand. You're going to use it to get reviews, to have a better workflow to get those reviews and get more reviews, and then show them using widgets on your website. Beautiful widgets, by the way. The tool is cool. I think it's one of the best reviews tools that came on AppSumo. I like it. And I hope also that you like that review. If yes, please remember, click on the link in the description to help me to keep going and to get to know more about that tool. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.